Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and app so the emulator can run. Make sure developer mode or a trusted profile is enabled, because without it the app cannot mock location. Once done, install the GPS emulator and grant location permissions, then open the app and pick a simple waypoint to test. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active so the phone reports a network location baseline. This prevents conflicts. Finally, toggle the app's mock locations switch and observe the map pin. This is your live control point. Now configure how the emulator moves. Choose single point for static spoofing, route for multi-stop path, or joystick for manual control. Once selected, set speed and acceleration so apps reading location see realistic motion. Unrealistic jumps trigger detection. Make sure to enable route smoothing and random small offsets to mimic GPS noise. If you need repeatability, import or save a GPX file. This makes testing deterministic. Test for a few minutes and watch the location feed in the target app. To finalize, keep the emulator app active in the foreground and confirm it remains the primary location provider. iOS can revert to true GPS when the emulator is backgrounded. If the target app shows the old position, force close and reopen it, or reboot the phone to clear cached coordinates. If location services are blocked or apps detect spoofing, reduce movement speed and add minor random offsets to appear natural. Then reauthorize location permissions. If problems persist, reinstall the emulator and repeat the permission grants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.